Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Easter. I hope you're all doing really well and eating lots of chocolate today. So today we're going to be doing a beauty look. I did try to do a special effects, that's why I'm like stained with fake blood, but we're just going to stick and do a quick beauty sort of spring Easter look for you using the colours that we did use in the last video. So a pink and yellow eye look. So let's get started with our soap brows. So this is the final look, guys. I do hope you like it. It's very pink, yellow, vibrant. But yeah, happy Easter. Hope you're all having an amazing day. And please don't forget, rate, comment and subscribe to the channel. Share me around and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.